Hello students, now we are starting a section under which we will study the different departments of a business organization. So when the organization is small, then there may not be the distinct departments for each and every function. But when an organization grows bigger, then it needs separate departments of an organization. So let's see what are the departments maybe: marketing and sales department, finance and accounts department, human resource department, production or works department, purchasing and stores department, general administration and legal department. So all these are different departments which helps a business to function efficiently. So under that we are going to see first the marketing. So marketing is a total system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, promote, and distribute want satisfying products and service to represent potential customers. So, what is marketing? So, marketing is a system under which, from recognition about needs of a customer to how the goods will reach to the customers are dealt in. So, earlier the approach was to just sell the product, because when the factory system was started in 1800s, so at that time during industrial revolution the supply of the products was not as much as the demand, so there was no need of doing any extra effort in selling the product. However, later on it became important to have a selling mentality, so some selling department came into existence. But later on it was found that only selling is not enough, and as now there is a lot of competition in the market, so marketing and connecting to customer is very much needed rather than just selling or transferring the products to the customer. It all starts from understanding the needs of the customer till the need is satisfied efficiently. So that is basically marketing. So if we see the difference between marketing and selling, then it will be rather more clear. So what is the scope? So marketing's scope is very wide, like from understanding needs of the customer till satisfying the needs of the customer and taking feedback from him, and again improving the product in order to satisfy the customer again. Whereas selling's scope is very narrow and it just involves transfer or exchange of goods or services. Marketing's nature. Marketing's nature is that it is a philosophy which helps the organization to achieve its profit goals but by satisfying customers. But in selling, it is an operational approach that aims to increasing sales volume through promotional efforts. What is the focal point? So marketing's focus point is need of the buyer. However, the selling's main point is needs of seller. The objective of marketing is to earn profit through customer satisfaction, whereas in selling, profits are earned through increasing sales volume. Marketing is customer oriented and it always looks towards customer or consumer to understand their needs and how to satisfy their needs. But selling is product oriented and it exaggerates the product's features. Marketing begins with production. That means in production, it is only decided what kind of need a customer is having and how that can be satisfied. But selling starts with sale and ends with sale. What is the slogan? The slogan of the marketing is the let the seller beware of the market conditions of present. But in selling approach, let the buyer beware. It is the headache of buyer that which product is to buy or which product is not to buy. But it is not the headache of seller then. A seller only aims to sell the product. The perspective of marketing is long term, so it looks towards selling the product again to customer, wherein selling is important and only selling is enough. Marketing's approach is very systematic and it runs as a system, but selling's approach is fragmented, and whatever product is given to the seller, he or she only aims to sell it. So let's see what are the functions of marketing and sales department. So combining marketing and sales department, we can say what are the functions. So marketing, research, product planning and development, pricing, promotion, selling and distribution, all are the functions of marketing or selling. So marketing research. Marketing research is the base of producing any good product. So marketing research is related with doing research in the market about what kind of product a customer is needing, or what kind of product can be supplied to the market, what may be the price. All these comes under marketing research. So what type of goods and services are wanted by customers, how, at what time do they want, in what quantity do they want, what prices the consumers are willing to pay, how many of the consumers want a product. That means how many consumers are our consumers, where the consumers are located, how the consumers expect the product or service to be delivered to them. So all these are involved in marketing. Many separate marketing research agencies are also there, whose help any business firm can take if they want to have any marketing research. Otherwise, a marketing research can be done by the marketing department of the organization also. So the second thing is product planning and development. Product planning and development involves design of the product, idea of the product, analyzing and screening of ideas, test marketing of new products. So all these are major steps. Like suppose um, any company is launching a television. So what are the features customers needs now? What is the market condition? What may be the price? So all this planning and developing the product, that how the product will look or how the product will function, all these are involved in product planning and development. Another thing is very important, pricing. There is always a competition in the market, there is seldom a monopoly. So pricing has to be such that it satisfies needs of the customer, as well as it gives satisfaction to the customer that the good is supplied to at the correct price or at the suitable price. So pricing is very important. So by considering the competitors goods and seeing the market condition and the ability of the customers, all these factors can be considered while pricing is done. Promotion is also one of the functions. So promotion means the process of increasing the sales through various activities like advertising or sales promotion. You already know this, advertising and sales promotion. So how to promote the product, how to do the packaging so that it looks attractive, how to uh, give advertising, in what media advertisement should be given, how the sales promotion can be done, how a customer can be contacted, how a consumer can be impressed about the product. So all this comes under promotion. Again, selling is the heart of marketing, because all the purpose of the marketing is to sell the product and earn profit through it. So how selling involves the exchange of goods or the transfer of goods in the hands of consumer from the hands of manufacturer. So how this process will be done, how dealers will be given the power, and how they will run all over selling um, function. So all these are considered under selling. Distribution means how goods will be distributed in the market. So there are many ways. Some unbranded products do it through their own salesmen, some branded products do it through their exclusive distributors or dealers. Like in case of motorcycle, it is often seen that dealers are at the work, whereas in case of FMCG, that means fast moving consumer goods like biscuits, chocolates, or the food items, all these are supplied through distributors. So there are different methods. Now let's see what is the position of a marketing manager in the firm. So basically, if it is a company, then board of directors is the supreme management, under which managing directors are there, and under that a separate director for marketing and sales is there, and under that marketing manager works. There may be many marketing managers, and under the marketing manager, all marketing research manager. If the firm is very big, then all the departments will be separate, and all the departments will be having a management, like product planning and development manager, sales promotion manager, customer care manager, credit administrative manager. So all these departments are separated in a big company. Under sales manager, there may be sales officer or sales executive. So in this way, the structure works, and marketing is one of the important functions of the total management. So just read this part. I am sending the study material. Next time we will see the next chapter. Thanks.